welcome to Jennings Harley-Davidson in Gateshead, home of Harley-Davidson in the Northeast. My name's Samantha and today I am bringing you a 2014 Sportster Iron 883. This iron is finished in the iconic Denim Black colour and is packed with lots of extras. So starting at the front of the bike, we have the 13-spoke cast aluminium and black front wheel with the iconic white wall tyre. To the top, we have an eye-catching headlight grille cover. This Iron 883 also features Chiselled style handlebars with Harley-Davidson clock as well as a fuel gauge monitor. As extra, this iron also has a comfortable Batlander leather rider and passenger seat with a embroidered Harley-Davidson script. We also have a upright sissy bar as well as a brake light relocation as well as side mounted license plate. To match its dark and aggressive look, this bike also has the Vance Hines short shots with a tank lift to give you an old school look. And it's powered by the air-cooled Evolution 883 engine. If you like the look of this bike, then please give us a call for all latest offers. Thank you.